What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to change a battery on a Subaru Impreza wrx sti key fob. So right, this is the new battery I've got. It's a Panasonic CR1620. So right, the first thing we need to do is obviously get the key. There's a screw there. We need to unscrew that and take that screw out. So that's what we're going to do now. Be careful not to lose the screw. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a flat screwdriver, a smaller one, and we're going to help edge the fob to open, and we're just going to pull that open like that. So that's what it looks like inside. Next step, what we're going to do is we're going to pop the battery out. So that's the battery out. You can see that it's very similar. Get the new battery. Put the new battery in. So there you go, that's the new battery in. Now we're going to connect this back up. Connect the back end of it up first. And then clip it down like so. So that's done now. Last thing to do is just put the screw back in and tighten that up. And there you go guys, that's how to do a battery change on a Subaru Impreza key. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's having problems doing theirs and or doesn't know how to do it. So right guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye.